Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Trendyga Orko, and I'm your friend and host Orko Prabhakar. So today, after a long gap, I'm again back with a new video. Yes, actually I was having some technical faults and difficulties in my YouTube channel, so I was not posting any new videos. But now yes, I have corrected it and now I'm back again with a new video. So today in this video, I will be talking about how UAE, that is United Arab Emirates, a country in the Middle East, has recently launched a Mars rocket for the Mars mission project from the Japan. And this rocket will land in 2021 in the Mars. Yes, it is a verified project. Means UAE has taken the verification on their part. So I will be posting a news update which I have got recently. So what is the inside story about this project which has been launched by UAE, United Arab Emirates? We will see in this video. So before starting this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel Trendyga Orko and don't forget to hit the bell notifications to stay notified for more video updates. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So right now I'm in my Chrome browser tab screen, and this is a news article which have been published by new ndtv.com. As we all know that NDTV is a very famous and reported news channel, NDTV India. So they have posted a new update on the Mars mission that is saying, okay, I'm reading out the headlines. UAE launches Mars mission from Japan, first such by an Arab nation. Okay, so as you can see from the main headline of the title, that United Arab Emirates has launched Mars mission from Japan. Means from all the Arab nations, UAE is the first one to launch Mars mission from Japan. Okay, quite an interesting one. So what this article is saying, the Japanese rocket carrying the probe developed by United Arab Emirates lifted off from Tanegashima Space Center in South Japan right on schedule at 6:58 a.m. local time. That is on Sunday. Means they are saying that the Japanese rocket, which was carrying the probe or the prototype, which was developed by UAE, was lifted off from Tanegashima Space Center. Tanegashima Space Center is a space research center which is located in South Japan, Kobe or Kyoto area there. So it was launched on Sunday. Okay, so what is the name of this rocket? Hope is expected to reach Mars orbit by February 2021. Okay, so here is the main news. I'm reading out the article. I will give the news. I will give the link of this article and provide in the description box. So those who want to get this or want to read this news article, they will find it in my description box. So you can go and check out from my description, and you can find the link of this article here. So I'm reading out: the first Arab space mission to Mars, an unmanned probe dubbed as Hope, blasted off from Japan on Monday. Okay. In a bid to reveal more about the atmosphere of the red planet. Okay, very good. The Japanese rocket carrying the probe developed by UAE lifted up from Tanegashima Space Center in southern Japan right on schedule at 6:58 a.m. local time. Okay, so for the first time from all of these Middle East countries, only one Middle East country, that is United Arab Emirates, carried out a decisive decision on launching first space mission to Mars. Okay, so the launch of the probe, known as Al Amal in Arabic, had twice been delayed because of bad weather, but the Monday liftoff appeared smooth and successful. Why Monday? Why not Sunday? Because see here, in the timeline here, Greenwich Mean Time, here it is showing Sunday, but the blast off took on Monday, which means on Sunday the weather was not so much favorable for them, so that is why it was delayed to Monday. So this is the point. Almost exactly 1 hour later, a live feed showed people applauding in the Japanese control room as the probe successfully detached. Means vehicle trajectory. The launch vehicle trajectory was executed as planned and separation of the Hope spacecraft was confirmed. Rocket manufacturer Mitsubishi Heavy Industries said. Okay, means the probe, or what should I say, the prototype, which was developed by UAE, it was attached with the rocket, the Japanese rocket. In Dubai, the launch was met with rapturous excitement, with the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest skyscraper, lit up hours before liftoff with a symbolic 10-second countdown in anticipation. Okay, so before countdown, before the launch of the rocket, there was a 10-second countdown in the Burj Khalifa. This mission is an important milestone for UAE and the region, said Yusuf Hamad Al Shaibani, director of UAE's Mohammed bin Rashid Space Center, at a post-launch press conference in Japan. Obviously, this mission is very important for UAE because out of all the Middle East countries, only UAE is the first one to ever launched a mission to Mars. So they must be very much proud, because this is this is not just a mission for themselves, this is an ambition project, a dream project for UAE. It has already inspired millions of youth regionally to dream big and work hard to achieve what seems to be impossible, he also said. Now, coming on human Mars settlement. So what about the human Mars settlement? See here, China has also sent a rocket to Mars project. So I'm going on this also. The Emirati project is one of the 3 racing to Mars, including Tianwen-1 from China and Mars 2020 from US. And as already stated, means there are three projects, or 3 rockets from 3 countries. One from China, the name of it is Tianwen-1, and from United States, Mars 2020, taking advantage of the period when the Earth and Mars are nearest. Okay. In October, Mars will be a comparatively close 38.6 million miles, that is 62.7 million kilometers from Earth, according to NASA. Means in quite gradual time, Earth and Mars will be much more closer. Hope is expected to enter Mars orbit by February 2021, marking the 50th anniversary of the unification of the UAE, an alliance of 7 Emirates. Okay, so here the actual date has not been given, but it has been expected that Hope, means the name project of the Mars project, which has been carried out by UAE, Hope is expected to enter Mars orbit by February 2021. Unlike the other 2 Mars ventures scheduled for this year, it will not land on the red planet, but instead orbit it for a whole Martian year, or 687 days. Okay. While the objective of the UAE's mission is to provide a comprehensive image of the weather dynamics, the probe is a foundation for a much bigger goal: building a human settlement on Mars within the next 100 years. So, UAE has launched the probe on this mission to find out a perfect human settlement for Mars within the next 100 years. How to establish a connection between the Mars and the humans on Earth, how to build a strong human settlement there on the red soil. Dubai has hired architects to imagine what a Martian city might look like, and yet in my previous video I have also said that many scientists and many space artists have also created terrestrial form of Mars map. And also Elon Musk has also ventured out a new map of terraformed Mars, how it will look like. So basically what a Martian city might look like and build in its desert science city at a cost of around $135 billion. The UAE also wants the project to serve as a source of inspiration for Arab youth in a region too often racked by sectarian conflict and economical crisis. Pride, hope and peace. On Twitter, the UAE's government declared the probe launch a message of pride, hope and peace to the Arab region, in which we renew the golden age of Arab and Islamic discoveries. Several dozen probes, most of them American, have set off for the Red Planet since 1960s. Many never made it far or failed to land. The drive to explore Mars flagged until the confirmation less than 10 years ago that water once flowed on its surface. Okay. Omran Sharaf, the mission's project manager, has said the HOPE probe will offer a special perspective on the planet. What is unique about this mission is that for the first time, scientific community around the world will have an holistic view of the Martian atmosphere at different times of the day, at different seasons. Okay. Sharaf told at a pre-launch briefing. HOPE is expected to begin transmitting information back to Earth in September 2021. So, according to them, the space probe or HOPE, whatever the name is, so they are expecting that the prototype will send them information back to Earth during September 2021 with its data available for scientists around the world to study. Okay, continuing on. The UAE already has 9 functional satellites in Earth orbit with plans to launch another 8 in coming years. And in September, it sent the first Emirati into space on a mission to the International Space Station. So this is the updated news about UAE, which has recently launched a prototype rocket, or what should I say, a prototype attached with the Japanese rocket to the Mars mission, and they are hoping that it will land on the red soil by February 2021. So this is the updated news article, and again I am saying that I will attach, or I will give the link of this news article in the description box. If you want to check it out, you can check it from my description box only. So hope you have watched this video and liked it very much. So please comment down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Trendiga Orco. And okay, I will be back again with a new video and new information next time. So till then, have a great day and goodbye.